Hello there. The WuMgr is a small application that allows users to manage Windows updates far better than the Settings app in Windows 10 or Windows 11. You can use this app to install selective updates, hide them so they won't be installed, or remove any previously installed Windows update easily. Let us dig in further to see how to use WuMgr for selective purposes. Fortunately, the Update Manager for Windows is available to download and install both from GitHub and Microsoft Store. On GitHub, you get a portable version of the app, whereas from Microsoft Store, the application is installed onto your device. To obtain the portable version of the WMGR, visit the GitHub page from the description section of this video and click on the latest version available on the right side of the page. Now click on the zip file archive available to download. When downloaded, extract its content. Execute the wumgr.exe. Click yes button. Once you have the app open, you can begin installing Windows updates if any are available. Here's how to do that. After launching the app, click the search circle button on the left. This will perform an automated search for any Windows update as well as gather information on currently installed updates and populate the respective categories. If any pending updates will be detected, they will be shown in the Windows Update category. Check the box next to the updates you want to install and click the download button. Once downloaded, it needs to be installed separately. To install an update, ensure that the checkbox is checked and then click on the install button. Once installed, reboot may be required. If it is, reboot your computer to finish the installation of the Windows update. Uninstalling an update is pretty much the same as the installing one. Open the Install Updates category and check the box next to the update you want to delete. Then simply click on the trash button. To hide the update, search for the available updates by clicking the search button. Select by checking the checkbox and then click Hide button. The update will now no longer show up in Windows Update category, but shift to the Hidden Updates category. You can later install them by selecting them from the category and download and install them using the respective buttons. If you are looking for ways to bypass Windows 10 or Windows 11 updates or temporarily stop them so that you can perform your own tasks in peace, I suggest that you start using WuMgr immediately. It can control whether your PC performs automated or manual update searching, among other useful configurations. That is it. Please like and make sure to subscribe to my channel to show your full support. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.